So hey there, how are you doing? This is Kali from Tech Fans here. So I am here happy to announce that we will be starting a new development series, not series, it is a series. So development journey. So you may ask, Kali, now only you started Redmi 12 for 5G. Well, guess what? We have another uninvited guest, which is the Redmi 12 Note 12 4G. So this device is a lunar black. If you would have watched the unboxing video, you may know. So what I will be doing is I will be starting from all the way from unlocking the bootloader, TWRP and other things, and finally installing the custom ROM. So this journey we will be covering full and fully with my own style on the channel. So these videos will be uploaded as per as like our Redmi 12 5G series, morning 8 a.m. and night 8 p.m. from tonight. Yeah, the device code name is again it is there is two variants, which is one is international one that is called Topaz, and the Indian version or whichever is doesn't having NFC, it is called as Tapas. So my device is Tapas. So we'll all meet you in Tapas videos. So yeah, thank you Tapas for watching this. Bye bye Tapas.